Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. While LSC Communications did not invent the art of printing, they certainly have had a hand in perfecting it. As one of the largest producers of magazines, catalogs, and retail inserts in North America, LSC was established to better serve publishers, brands, retailers, and merchandisers by offering specialized solutions. With an extensive service list ranging from traditional and digital print, media and creative services, paper management and sourcing, postal optimization solutions, fulfillment, distribution, warehousing, and logistics, LSC offers almost every service imaginable to move their clients' content forward. Odds are that every person in the U.S. has interacted with a magazine, catalog, or piece of mail that has been through the LSC printing or shipping platform. LSC Communications was born from the 2016 spin-off of R.R. Donnelley's commercial print manufacturing and logistics business. In 2020, Atlas Holdings acquired LSC Communications, allowing LSC to continue investing in their print and supply chain service solutions. LSC offers multiple job opportunities, from entry-level to skilled trades and leadership roles. They recognize their success is due to the thousands of dedicated employees who work tirelessly every day to deliver quality business solutions. Backed by years of experience, LSC uses that expertise to guide their customers through every step of the print supply chain, starting from the initial idea until their customers' content reaches its final destination, in the hands of their audience. From file to final destination, LSC Communications will get you there. Visit them today at lsccom.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.